Hello there everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley and today I'm here to go over my January IPSY. And this month is by far my favorite IPSY bag itself that I have ever got. As always, I like to start these videos off with nothing on my face, nothing in my hair, so I can actually try these products on for you and you can enjoy them with me. It's so pretty. Just look at this. So it looks like a black and white marble with a pink zipper, and I honestly have no idea what this material is. It's not leather, it's not even fake leather, but it's like that's the closest thing that I can describe it as, but it's not leather. I honestly don't even know what it's made from, but this is so stinking cute. Like, it's really classy. For the products themselves, they're not too shabby either, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first product I got is this Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Cleanser for your face. I've never had anything from Glow Recipe, but I've heard amazing things. Pretty cool because it's a cleanser and a mask in one, so you can use it to cleanse your face, which I'm most likely going to do, or you can use it as a mask, and if you just want to use it as a mask, you just leave it on your face and then rinse it off after 5 minutes. But like I said, I'm going to use it as a cleanser. I love face cleansers. I don't know why, but I really do, and I cannot wait to use this because I've heard blueberries are really good for your skin, and this smells amazing. And like I said, I'm a sucker for facial cleansers, so very excited to try this. This next product is actually the one that I chose for my IPSY bag, and it is the Pure Cosmetics Mineral Powder Foundation with SPF 15. And as I mentioned in a few of my other videos, I only wear powder foundation, especially to work. So when I saw that I could actually choose one that I haven't tried yet, I was like, yeah, definitely choosing that. And what caught my eye about this one is that it has SPF in it, because none of the other powder foundations that I have SPF in it, and it's really hard for me to find one. So hard for me to find a powder foundation with SPF in it, so I love this. And I got the shade Light, or LN6, and it actually matches like perfectly, so I'm super excited about that. This does not come with an applicator, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take like a sponge applicator from my Sephora powder foundation and use this to put this all over my face right now. Closer, so hopefully we can see how this actually does coverage wise together. So I'm putting some on a blank side of a different makeup sponge. So let's see how this goes. Hey, not too shabby so far. I like it, I like it. Not to use a brush, because for me, with powder foundations, brushes don't work. They just, like, nothing comes off on them. And that's not what I want. I want to see what this actually looks like today. Here's the powder foundation. It's not too bad. I think the Sephora powder foundation and the Makeup Forever definitely have more coverage. The thing that I noticed about this one is, at least with the sponge application, you have to get a lot on in one particular area in order for it to show up. If you just do like a quick brushing over, it's not going to show up as well. I definitely notice, you know, my skin being more blurred out and more smooth. I do think the Sephora powders and the Makeup Forever have more coverage. In the card here, this claims that it could be your concealer and foundation in one, and I definitely disagree with the concealer part, because as you can see, my little friend here and just under my eyes, it's not as covered as it would be with the concealer, but I would definitely use the concealer under this and then put this on top. Because there's not that much in here, I'm going to save this for a more sunny day, because it does have SPF in it. I'm not going to use it all right away, and I'm just going to save it for days that I know that I'm going to be out in the sun more, so I can get the full benefit of this. Next, I have this eyeshadow single from Realher in the shade Incomparable, and it's just a nice matte light brown shade. This is absolutely perfect for a transition shade. So I am once again going to scoot in, and I'm going to put this on a brush and pop it into my crease, and then I'm going to do one eye where it's all over the lid. Eyes at all, this is just going straight on so we can see what it looks like. And I am currently not seeing anything at all. Anything. Okay. You can see there's powder on the brush, right? Okay. Not that I'm mad at this. This is just way too close to my eyelid's natural color in order for it to be seen. I think that this is going to be best if I am doing a super natural eye look, or if I need something to kind of blur out the edges of my eyeshadow that's really, really close to my skin. I think that's definitely going to be useful for this, but just on its own, unfortunately, I don't think it's going to work out. It blended really easily, it came off really easily, it wasn't dusty or chalky, which is nice. It's just the shade, unfortunately, is too close to my eyelid's natural shade. So I'm going to stay close up here because my next item is an eyeliner from the brand Araceli, and it's called the Ojos Perfectos, so Perfect Eyes Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Coffee. I have never in my life had a brown liquid eyeliner, and honestly, I am super excited. The point on this is amazing. So I'm going to go in on both eyes with this brown liner. Oh my god. You guys, this is like the most fine-tipped liner I have ever used.
Nice.
Wow. Okay, this is pretty darn good. And although it's brown, it's dark enough to where you can see it, because sometimes with brown liners it's kind of on the edge of being too light where you can't see, but this is just dark enough to where you can actually notice the liner, but it's not so black that it's like bam in your face, you know what I mean? And this went on super easy. This does not claim to be waterproof, so that would be my only concern with this, but I am actually kind of interested in trying this in a black shade because that was really, really easy, and it looks really good. It dried down really quickly, so far I'm impressed. The final product is this lip gloss from Jules Smith Beauty in the shade Moonbeam Dream. Now, as you saw, it's just white, so when I put this on, nothing's gonna happen here. So let's just do that on my lips. Oh, this smells delicious. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It's like watermelon-y, fruity on your lips right below your nose, so every time you smell it. Okay, so as you can see, it just gives kind of an iridescent shine to your lips. This is on top of just my natural lips. So you can see that if you want a colored gloss, this is not going to be it, but if you just want to add a little pop of shine on your lips, this is definitely your friend. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off and put on a lipstick so I can put this over it just to see how that looks. Because I had another product from the brand Realher, I'm going to go into a Realher lipstick that I also got from an IPSY. This is in the shade Rose Pink, so I'm going to put this on my lips and then put the Jules Smith Beauty lip gloss on top of it just to see how it's going to look over a lip gloss.
Just to see how it's going to look over a lipstick.
Okay, over lipstick, I don't think it's that effective actually. I was expecting it to be more effective. It just added a little tiny bit of shine, not even as much as when it was on my bare lips. And when I put it over lipstick, this showed me the downside to having a clear lip gloss, which is that whenever you put it over a lip color, you are going to get whatever lipstick color you had on your lips all over this applicator, and when you stick it back in, that color is going to go in and it's going to mix with the clear lip gloss. And that, I do not this off here and see. Oh, thank goodness it is coming off. Not completely, but it's now not going to be getting all in my clear lip gloss, so I love that. And those are my 5 products that I got in my January IPSY. I am pretty darn happy with this month and how all these products turned out and came out. I am definitely happy with this bag. This is just absolutely stunning and classy, and I love it. My products were amazing. There was really not one that I didn't like. The lip gloss I'm still kind of iffy about, because clear lip gloss, like an iridescent, doesn't really have a place in my routine. That doesn't mean it's bad. I mean, just the smell alone is making me happy, but I think that you have to use it the right way. Everything else I am in love with, and I cannot wait to try them again. So let me know if you guys got any of these products, how you like this bag if you got it, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys soon.